How to make Kokona let you clean her ears. Do you find your Kokona refusing to let you clean her ears? Don't worry, it's a normal reaction. Don't just force your desires on Kokona. The ears are a sensitive and private spot, and cleaning another's is considered a sign of intimacy. Kokona might simply be too embarrassed to do it with you currently. It's important to take it slow and match each other's pace. Get to know each other more and learn about her preferences. You and Kokona will naturally become closer and develop a healthy relationship. After you're comfortable with each other, ask Kokona about the right time to take things to the next level. Eventually, Kokona will warm up to the idea of you cleaning her ears. Remember to do it slowly and gently. Congratulations! Kokona now will happily let you clean her ears.
Shanhaijing